Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new dashboard in Zoho Analytics so you can start building a centralized hub for your business data and key performance indicators in 2026. Let's get into it. First, open your Zoho Analytics workspace. The first step is logging into your account and ensuring you are in the correct workspace where your data tables and reports are already hosted. Log in to your Zoho Analytics account. Click on the Workspace tile that contains the data you want to visualize. Once the workspace opens, look at the left navigation sidebar to see your existing folders and datasets. In 2026, Zoho Analytics is organized by workspaces to keep different departments or clients separate. Starting in the right workspace ensures that when you begin creating your new dashboard, the software immediately knows which data tables, like sales, inventory, or marketing, are available for you to pull from. Next, initiate the new dashboard creation. Now that you're in the right place, you need to trigger the dashboard designer to open a fresh blank canvas. Look at the top left corner of the screen and click the large green Create button. From the drop-down menu that appears, select the Dashboard option. This is the inception phase. In 2026, clicking this button launches the Zoho Dashboard Designer. You aren't just opening a file, you are opening a responsive grid environment where every element you add will be mathematically aligned for a professional look. Lastly, choose your design layout. Before you see the canvas, Zoho will ask you how you want to approach the design of your new dashboard. A window will pop up asking you to create from scratch or copy from an existing dashboard. Click on Create from Scratch to start with a completely clean slate. Creating from scratch is the best way to learn the 2026 interface. It gives you total control over the dimensions and the placement of your widgets. This ensures your final dashboard isn't cluttered with old elements from previous projects and is built specifically for your current business goals. And that's pretty much it. To create a new dashboard in Zoho Analytics 2026, open your workspace, click the Create button, and select Dashboard. Choose to create from scratch, give your dashboard a professional name, and save it to a specific folder. This opens up your blank design canvas, giving you the perfect foundation to start visualizing your data. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.